Health is wealth. Yes, your health starts in your mind, so you need to guide it jealously. My name is Coach Wilfred Asokwo. I am a capacity builder. You see, there is no way I can, you know, bring you up to speed in terms of capacity building without discussing how healthy your mind should be and how your health starts in your mind. If this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to smash on the red subscribe button to join this community. Well, let's get straight into it. True health isn't just about the body. It starts with the mind. Again, true health isn't just about the body. It starts with your mind. Our thoughts, beliefs, and mental habit shapes how we feel physically. A strong, healthy mind acts as the foundation for overall well-being. And just like your body, it needs nourishment, exercise, and protection. Now, I'll share some guides in guiding your mental health jealously. 1. Feed your mind with positive affirmations. Positive self-talk can shift your mindset, reducing stress and boosting confidence. Start each day with affirmation like, I am capable, I am in control, I deserve peace. Limit negativity is another one. Number 2, reduce exposure to negative influence, whether it's toxic relationship, social media, or news that breeds fear and anxiety. Research shows that for every one negative interaction that you get yourself involved in, you need 3 positive interactions to annul that one negative interaction. Practice mindfulness. Stay in the present. Mindfulness keeps your thought anchored in the present moment, preventing your mind from wandering into anxiety about the future or regrets over the past. This is quite very important. How about meditation? Daily meditation can strengthen your mental resilience, improving focus and reducing emotional activity or emotional reactivity. Number 3, develop emotional intelligence. Recognizing your emotions, understanding and accepting your feelings, whether they are positive or negative. You see, emotional intelligence will allow you to manage them constructively rather than letting them control you. Find safe ways to express your emotions, whether through journaling, talking to a trusted friend, or engaging in creative outlets. Stress management techniques, which is number 4, like breathing exercise, deep breathing techniques like the 4-7-8 methods can help calm your nervous system and alleviate stress in seconds. Effective time management is another way that can reduce stress and prevent burnt out. Prioritizing tasks, set realistic goals, and take breaks when needed will help also for you to keep a healthy mindset. Number 5, protect your mental boundaries. Say no. The ability to say no is very important. Protect your mental energy by setting healthy boundaries. It's okay to say no to demands that drains you. Limit overthinking. Overthinking often leads to stress and anxiety. Practice redirecting your focus when you find yourself spiraling into unnecessary worries. Number 6, cultivate gratitude. Gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This practice shifts your focus from what's lacking to the abundance you already have, promoting mental health and positivity. Appreciating small wins. Celebrate the little victories. They accumulate over time, reminding you of your progress and growth. And number 7 says, stay physically active. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, which act as a natural mood booster. Even a 20-minute walk can clear your mind and alleviate stress. Yoga and stretching is also important because it connects the body and the mind, reducing anxiety while improving flexibility and strength. Stretching also helps release physical tension and can affect your mental state. Number 8, nurture social connections. Meaningful relationships. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Strong social connections are crucial or critical to mental well-being. Share your thoughts and feelings while communicating openly with trusted friends or families. Keeping emotions bottled up can lead to mental strain. Keep learning and growing is a continuous learning process that is very important. Mental growth keeps your mind sharp and engaged. Whether it's reading books, learning new skills, or exploring different cultures, continuous learning nurtures your mental agility. How about setting personal goals? Personal growth contributes to mental health. Set goals that challenge you and provide sense of achievement. Ensure you set SMART personal goals. When I say SMART, SMART is an acronym that helps you to set realistic goals. Rest and rejuvenate is number 10. Quality sleep. A rested mind is a healthy mind. Again, a rested mind is a healthy mind. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to restore mental energy and promote emotional balance. Disconnect is another important aspect. Take regular breaks from technology and social media to clear mental cluster and rejuvenate your focus. Number 11 says seek help when needed. Therapy and counseling. Seek professional help when you are overwhelmed is a sign of strength, not weakness. Therapy can offer tools to navigate complex emotions and thoughts. Supporting groups. Joining groups where others face similar challenges can provide comfort and perspective, making you feel less isolated. Again, keeping a sound health starts from your mind. The mind is all you need to control everything around you because it is the most valuable asset in the world. I'll see you guys again in my next episode. Thank you. Do share this, comment, leave your thoughts, and I'll be glad to hear from you.